Sandeep.
I'm Raj.
And today we're doing a reaction to...
It's a very different video, a Samsung India service. We got some requests and I played it and I was just amazed by the views. Has 209 million views. Also say most watched video in 2017.
Never heard of it.
We'll take care of you wherever you are. I think this one is by Samsung India. So something to do with the connecting people through cell phones, something like that. But I just wanted to check it out just because the fact has so many views on it. We've never seen a video with that many views, so that's crazy. So without wasting more time, let's watch Samsung India service.
And so many likes too.
Right, and like 37,000 dislikes, but 166,000 likes.
Wow.
And because Samsung is huge in India,
Right.
Like Apple products are so expensive in India, but like Samsung, like it's like Nokia
Right,
was
it's
like,
just
you know,
more
like
used.
2000,
Yeah.
2002. So without wasting more time, let's watch Samsung India service SVC.
What is a commercial?
Yeah.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित।
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
अरिजीत सिंह?
No, it's not even.
That's real India, man. Like winning bro.
थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
This is 7 बजे से पहले, man. अच्छा जी. थर्ड 7 बजे बोला था।
अमित
जी
आइए आइए। टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन। और आज पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी कहेंगे रेजा।
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है, इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती है देश के कोने कोने तक।
It's a beautiful video, man.
Beautiful video. I like the fact that the idea how they showed in the commercial that she wanted the TV fixed for the purpose of hearing the music.
Yeah.
To hear them.
She also
sing.
wanted to see the best friend performing.
Right.
It was a really big thing for the whole, like for everyone that was
Right.
in there.
That even if they're not visually able to see, at least the presence of that person on TV, they you can feel it.
Right.
You know what I mean?
And
the
like,
voice
and she was able to do it just by the best customer service.
Right.
Like sometimes, customer service people are so rude and they don't really help you out with anything, But that's why I think service goes long way. Like if the
Right.
service is good within a product, then that really takes you
Yep.
to somewhere else. But while I'm thinking, while I was watching the video, I was thinking, why would anyone dislike this video? Like what
I have no
why?
idea. What would be running through your mind to dislike this video?
Exactly.
I have
It's
no
such a
idea.
beautiful video and 37,000 dislike. You know what? Who may have disliked it? The
People who don't have Samsung.
Oh, yeah,
Something
like
else.
Apple users.
Apple users might have disliked it.
I
but-
use Apple, but I wouldn't dislike a video like that.
Yeah,
Such a
so-
beautiful video.
So it's a definitely intense commercial, I would say. And to
Yeah.
see something like this, it's great to see it.
It also brings a smile to your face,
does.
especially towards the end. Like you don't know what's going on, but it's definitely worth watching it. No wonder it has 200 million
Yes.
views. It really totally deserves it. So do let us know, what do you think about Samsung India service video? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for social media.
Keep sending your requests, guys.
And also let us know, what phone do you use? What Samsung model do you have? I used to
Yeah.
have a Samsung S4 before I switched to
Now we're Apple
Apple.
users.
Yeah. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.